Hello guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for subscribing, liking and commenting on my videos. I really do appreciate that and I love you all. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make garlic powder. Garlic powder is really a great spice, so I use garlic a lot in my house. I always buy garlic in bulk. I just found out that another way to preserve your garlic is to turn it into garlic powder. And if you go to the store, garlic powder is quite very expensive. If you're the type that uses garlic powder a lot, if you're to buy the powder in the supermarket, it's quite expensive. So I figured out you can make your own at home. This video will be showing you exactly how to make garlic powder at home. I found out if you want to peel your garlic, especially if you're using a lot of garlic for your recipes, if you're going to peel it by hand, it's quite difficult. So I decided to make a video on how to peel your garlic easily. So you can check out the video on how to peel your garlic. I'll also put a link to the description box where you can find the video. Okay, so this is the garlic. It has been peeled already. Next, so we are going to bring the garlic into a grinder, or even your blender can do this. I'm using 2 cups of fresh garlic, so you can increase the amount if you're going to be making a large quantity of garlic powder. So after adding that to the blender, I'm just going to blend this a few times just to reduce the sizes of the garlic. Okay, so we've broken this into chunky paste, not completely blended. This is what you're looking for. Don't blend it into a smooth paste because it will be difficult to dry. The reason why you are reducing this is to make it easy to dry in time. Okay, so this is the rough consistency. We are going to spread this out on a tray. Garlic flesh contains water. If you don't reduce the sizes, it might take a longer time for it to dry. So this is the reason why I had to coarsely blend this first before drying it out. Okay, so after spreading this out, we are going to sun dry this. This might take about 3 to 4 days for it to dry, depending on the hotness of the weather. If you have a dehydrator, you can easily dry this, or even use your oven to dry this. I'm going to place this in the sun to dry. I'm just going to blend this for 5 minutes and it's done. Okay guys, here is the minced garlic. I just noticed that garlic is a little bit sticky. If you're drying yours, you can put a parchment paper on the tray before putting the garlic to dry, otherwise it will stick to the tray, just like the way I'm experiencing this. Okay, so after sun drying your garlic for 3 days, this is what it looks like. I just discovered that garlic takes a longer time to dry. So you may have to dry this for several hours in the oven or using the dehydrator. So now we are going to blend this and turn it into powder. So here is the garlic powder after blending. It doesn't really feel very smooth, so right away I'm going to strain this to remove the larger particles, and I'll still dry this because so I'm just going to break the clumps to make it easy to sieve. Okay, so after sifting this is what I'm left with. You can add this to your blender and blend again if you choose to, but I'm just going to discard this. And this is the fine powder we've got. Garlic is a little bit sticky. You may want to further dry this before storage, so you can just dry this one more time. And here we have our fine garlic powder. It's quite easy to make and it's better than store-bought garlic powder. If your garlic powder is properly dry, You can store it up to 3 to 6 months in an airtight container. However, I love to make this in a small quantity so I can use it up within a month. Garlic powder is a versatile spice. It can be used in soup, sauce, or stew recipes. You can use this in your marinades. It blends well with other spices. So this is how I make my garlic powder. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you loved this video. Do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also share this garlic powder recipe with your friends. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you shortly. Bye.